Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you guys how to play the classic Mario or any other retro Game Boys nostalgic games on your Galaxy Watch Active 2. So let's get into it. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartwatches and smartphones, software reviews, tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. We actually have a dedicated playlist with 18 plus videos all about Samsung Galaxy Watch Active lineup, so be sure to check it out. Now before I start, I want you guys to know that I'm not the developer of any of the apps or games I'll talk about in this video, and this is not a sponsored video. I have paid the full price for each app reviewed in this video, and just so you guys know, these games and app will pretty much work on any Tizen OS smartwatch. So yes, it will work on the Active first generation, but you may not get the sound output as you do in the Active 2 due to the presence of a physical speaker. Alright, so the classic Mario or any other Game Boy games which we used to play on the Game Boy consoles will work over here, provided you have the actual game file, also called the ROMs. Make sure with the extension of .gb or .gbc files for the games you want to play. You need an actual player for these downloaded files, for which you need to go on the Galaxy App Store on your mobile device and search for the keyword Gear Gem Boy, and you will see this app, which basically is a GBC emulator. GBC stands for Game Boy Color Emulator, which for those who doesn't know is basically an emulator that can run those downloaded files, the .gbc files which we downloaded. Now this app will cost you $3.80 Canadian dollar, but in my opinion it's totally worth it for just the emulator, not each and every game. Now there are a lot of other emulators like the Nintendo, PlayStation, Sega, etc. So I'm hoping the developer steps up the game by adding those emulators as well. Obviously I assume they won't be free of charge. Once done, you are all set to play those amazing games, except for the fact that you need to transfer those downloaded GBC files from your phone or computer to your watch itself, which you have for which you have multiple options. The one I use is the file manager app named File Master, which is a browser as well as a media player and an unzipper, which again is not free, and it costs about $3.90 Canadian dollars, which again I would say is definitely a worth app, not just for this particular game, but in general it's a very good file manager and reader for your watch. So with this app you can transfer files between your watch and phone super easy and quick. You do need to download a partner app on your Android device, which is available on Google Play Store for absolutely free, no charge. Now with this app you can even play the files from the built-in media player like images, videos, and even browse, manage and edit folders and files like rename, copy, move, delete, etc. and all the cool stuff that a file manager can do with no ads or those annoying pop-ups. Now in the file manager and transfer files from the phone to the watch directly. So once done, you have transferred the files from your phone to the watch. You can find them in the file manager in the download folder. Now let's go ahead and open the emulator and show you the actual gameplay. Now once you open, you can see the select and the start button as well as the arrow keys, so the top, right, left and down. Now it says to use the back button or the rotating bezel to load up the ROMs. Let's click the back button. Now you can see options like load ROMs, reset, save states, load states, full screen, which I wouldn't recommend, as due to the rounded screen of the watch, the side elements will be chopped off, and that's not a good gaming experience. Sound volume, again this is for Active 2 only, as it has a built-in speaker, but for the Active first generation you can pair it up with a Bluetooth headset and control the volume on it right from here. And the last option is to exit the app. Now let's go ahead and load the ROMs. Now here you will find all the ROMs that you have transferred from your phone to the watch. Again, it will only read the .gb or the .gbc extension files. Now let's go ahead and play the Super Mario. Now right off the back you will wonder where is the button A and B. So basically the button A is on the center left hand side and the button B is on the center right hand side, which will be apparent while I play the game, so just keep watching. Now my final verdict about these apps is that they both are perfect, but the GBC emulator, the audio of the game lags a little bit, as you heard it already, and I think the price of the file manager is a bit on the expensive end. But other than that, both of these apps are highly recommended to pay for and definitely worth it. So there you go guys, hope you enjoyed this review video of the GBC emulator and the file manager app, as well as the gameplay of the classic Mario right on the watch. And you can play many more games, pretty much any Game Boy games right on the watch. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.